Today I'll be demonstrating the Brother 6900 device walk-up features. When you walk up to the device, it typically will be in a sleep mode. You'll see a picture of the house. If you press that button, it's going to light up the touchscreen interface, which just basically looks like an iPad screen where you're going to have different icons available to you for features. If the device has a fax line plugged into it, you can walk up fax by touching the fax button, dialing the number on the keypad here, and pressing the green button that says fax start. The machine will automatically redial if it doesn't go through. Once you have that confirmation report that said it was unsuccessful, you will have to resend the document. The back arrow will always take you back to the previous screen, which will allow me to get in to select other features. The next thing I want to cover is copy. Everything will go face up in the feeder. You'll then touch the copy icon. You have the option to enter your quantity here or on the hard buttons, and then press the green button for start. Any options that you want to change, you'll go into the options screen, and you'll have basic features like quality adjustment, light and dark, reduce and large, two-sided, by going into this advanced option menu and making the change and then pressing the OK button. One feature that I like is this quick copy button, which allows me to go into these quick jobs, things like ID card copy, two-sided. So instead of going into your options menu, you can just go to the quick button and then press start. Going back to the home screen, I'll also see the scan icon, which allows me to do a couple different scan options, scanning to folder and scan to email. Scan to email will be the thing I think you use the most, so I will cover that first. You're going to touch scan. Slide over till you see the icon that says to email server, which has a picture of an envelope and a globe, and then select it. From there, you can manually input the contact information, or you can go to your global address book by going to address book, selecting the search tool, and then typing the first couple characters of the person's name. From there, I'll press OK, and it will go browse your global address book and find the closest results based on what I typed. I'll then select the person's email address and say apply, and then it will walk you through the steps based on what you need to select next. When I select next, it then takes me to a menu where I see options again. So for scanning, I can change it to color scan, two-sided, resolution adjustment by going into options and then saying OK. As long as I see the green button here that says start, I can start my scan process. Going back to the scan screen, you'll go home, go scan, and then you're going to scroll over to where you see an icon that says scan to network. From there, you might see multiple destination folder options. But just for example, today I'm going to show you this OPI scans folder destination. From there, I'll have the same options. I can go in and change any of these features and then press OK. As long as I see the green start button, I can press start and it will start the scan process through the document feeder or on the glass.